Good morning. My name is Mangala Gauri. Today I am going to present a seminar on cloud computing on fog computing. Introduction. Fog computing or fog networking, also known as fogging. Fog computing is an architecture that uses edge devices to carry out a amount of computation, storage, and communication locally and routed over the internet backbone. Both cloud computing and fog computing provide storage applications and data to end users. Fog computing is closer to end users and has wider geographical distribution. How the fog computing will work? Fog computing works by utilizing local devices termed fog nodes. Data is captured by IoT signals. This data is sent to a fog node close to the data source. This data is analyzed locally by the fog node, filtered and then sent to the cloud for long-term storage if necessary. Applications: linked vehicles. Self-driven or self-driven vehicles are now available on the market, processing a significant volume of data. The information has to be easily interpreted and processed based on the information presented, such as traffic, driving, conditions, environment. All this information is processed quickly with the help of fog computing. Smart grids and smart cities. Energy networks use real-time data for the efficient management of systems. It is necessary to produce the remote data from multiple sensors will be produced. Fog computing is constructed in such a manner that all problems can be stored. Real-time analytics. Data can be transferred using fog computing from the locating where it is produced to different locations. Benefits. Better security. It is possible to secure fog nodes using the same controls, processes, and policies as we use in other IT environment areas. Deeper insights with privacy control. Instead of uploading it to the cloud for processing, confidential data to be processed locally, the IT team will manage the instruments that captures, processes, and store data and manage team. Reduced operating cost. By processing chosen data locally, fog computing can conserve network resources instead of uploading it for review to the cloud. Fog computing applications. In a cloud-based management, fog computing functions better to provide control and deeper analysis across a variety of nodes. Fog computing in smart cities. There is a range of problems facing big cities, including public safety, heavy electricity consumption, and community services. Through deploying a network of fog nodes, the solution to these problems exists in a single IoT network. Conclusion. Yes, sir. Okay, continue. Conclusion. Fog computing provides cloud computing to manage greater array of regular IoT data generated. It helps to overcome the problems of data velocity volume explosion. It also increases understanding and reaction incidents by creating an intellectual round trip to the cloud. Discharging gigabytes of the network from the prime network helps minimize the cost of extra bandwidth. By analyzing it inside the organization, It can protect the fragile Internet of Things content. Thank you.